This is an overview of what we've done. Okay, so here there's a wall light. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4. This is going to serve like a bar or something. Okay, so we've done LED strip there, and we've done several lights here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so it's going to be controlled in a different direction. Okay, so 7 will be turned on from this door when you are entering here, or when there's another door right there, but it has been closed for the meantime. Okay, so when you are coming from that direction as well, you can turn it on. And there's another set 7 that you can turn it on differently at one place. Okay, and we have a couple of wall lights. We have 2 at this side and another 2 at that side, other end, another 2 wall lights here, and we have the LED strip up there. This is the master bedroom. Like I said before, the client doesn't want any fancy ceiling lights and stuff like that, so they are going to use the North American ceiling fan. It comes with a lamp or light, so it's right there. And this LED strip, another ceiling fan here. You see this is a master bedroom, so it's quite big. So this is going to serve like a sitting area. So there's going to be 1 ceiling fan here and another one there. And when you are entering into the closet, walk-in closet, there are 2 spotlights here, 2 spotlights here, and there's the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet, it has a LED strip here, and 3 ceiling lights or spotlights. And there's the master bedroom, restroom or washroom. Okay, so we have a hanging pendant light here, right there. These are spotlights, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This LED strip right here, and there's another pendant light. It will be hanged on where the mirror will be fixed. Okay, so it will be hung right there. There's another one here. This is a very long or huge hallway, so it has sets of 7 lights here, another 7 lights here, making it 14. And we have another set here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here. It's all part of the hallway. It's all part of the hallway, and there's another 2 lights here, 2 separate lights here. This like a family area or dining area. Okay, so we have a couple of lights here. This LED strip, it is right there on the wall, is LED strip, and we have a couple of ceiling or LEDs spotlights here, and also we have another ceiling fan right in the middle. There's going to serve like a wardrobe, and we have 2 spotlight outlets here. There's another bedroom, and it's the same like the master bedroom. A ceiling fan that comes with lamp or light, and LED strip. And this another area. Okay, this another, let's say, hallway. It leads all the way to that bed. There's another bedroom there, and there's There's this place, the bar. Okay, so this hallway leads to the bar as well. Okay, so there's one switch here, another one here, and another one there. So we have these three sets um, of switches, and so we've done it such a way. This an intermediate switch right here. So when you are coming from that direction, when you are coming from direction one, you'll be able to turn it on and off. When you are coming from direction two, you'll be able to turn it on and off. And when you are coming from direction three, you'll be able to turn it on and off. There's the other bedroom, and it also has its ceiling fan with a lamp or light, LED strip as well. And these are the light in the extended hallway. These are the sets of lights here. And this is the power room. It has three spotlights here.